Hi, this is Kimmy with Windermere Real Estate, and today we're going to be taking a look at Lot 5 of the Murray Franklin community of Hazelwood. Walking in, you'll notice the formal living room that has 2 levels of windows that allows for plenty of natural light. Continuing into the home, you then enter the family room and kitchen, which truly highlights the open concept of this space. Around the corner from the kitchen is a main floor den and the formal dining area. Another thing I appreciate is the 10-foot ceilings, walls of windows, and the double sliding glass doors that lead you to the outdoor space for indoor and outdoor entertaining. On the second floor, we have a recreational room with vaulted ceilings, 3 very spacious bedrooms, and a luxurious master bedroom. The master bathroom includes his and her closets, a soaking tub, and a skylight to allow for plenty of natural light. Thank you so much for following along for this virtual tour. If you're interested in this home or any other homes in the area, please feel free to reach out for a private showing. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.